So here it is, my little Christmas Bandsaw reindeer. They're really quick and easy to cut out. This is just basically firewood. I think it was originally like a 4x3 rafter or something, or 6x3 rafter, something like that. If I get time, I'll make a copy of the template I used and stick it up on my website. I'll leave a link for that down below. One thing I tend to do with these, which I didn't do in the video, and actually, to be honest, you don't need to, but if you're looking to do these as craft show kind of sellers, they are pretty hot. I've been making these for years. This is one that I actually made for one of our Christmas decorations, and just with the addition of a little bow and a bell. They're really, really popular this time of year. They're really super quick to make, and you can knock them out cheap. People have got a couple of pounds, dollars, currency, whatever in their pocket. They are very popular. So if you haven't seen it already, check out my wooden toy making Christmas video, again with the silly jumper. Have a great Christmas, Hanukkah, whatever festival or whatever you celebrate this time of year. Have a great time, spend it with your families, and remember, you don't always have to go out and buy stuff and have that stressful January credit card bill coming in. There's more love goes into something that you've made yourself, if you can. We'll see you again in 2017. There are other videos coming out at the end of this, or between now and the end of this year, router videos, a couple of Christmas videos. So do stay tuned, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to check out Chris, Joe, Jamie and Alan and myself for the Makers International podcast. There will still be those going on between now and the new year, and obviously into next year as well. So happy Christmas, whatever you celebrate. We'll see you again soon.